Hi, so I've had this belt on my Ford S-Max that just would not want to be pushed down into the buckle. It has been possible to first push down the button on the buckle and then hold it while inserting the belt into it, then the belt would latch on when releasing the button. However, this won't pass a safety inspection, and since I actually managed to fix this, I figured I might just share what I did to do so. I can imagine this is fairly similar on most cars, so it might at least be worth to take a look at this video before having your belt buckle replaced or repaired. Alright, in this case the issue was that when you push down the belt into the buckle, a little metal latch or piece should automatically push this little pin or plate to the side so that the belt can actually enter the belt buckle correctly. This little plate then locks into the hole on the actual belt, preventing it from going back up until the little pin plate is released by again pushing the button on the side. However, on this broken one, or jammed turns out, this little metal piece that pushes the locking pin to the side was missing. So the belt just kept banging against it when I tried to insert it. Turns out though that the metal piece was not actually gone, but instead it had gotten stuck down the bottom of the inside of the belt buckle. So what I actually ended up doing was that I pushed down on the red button and then used a small screwdriver and just carefully pried it against the sides of the bottom of the inside of the belt buckle. I had to do this for a little while, a few minutes, and eventually the metal piece down the bottom just snapped back up, and now it looks like this, with the little metal piece back in place up the top. It might also help here to put like some WD-40 or similar lubricant into the belt buckle to loosen the whole mechanism up a little bit. And in this case, and to make sure it does not stick again, I should probably oil this one up a little bit here as well. But for now, it actually works like normal. So hopefully this can help someone else as well. Also, make sure that no other dirt and old food and stuff have gotten into the belt buckle, because this can too create similar issues. Alright, that's about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help with what I can. Thank you for watching. Bye.